Buying a home in Edmonton can be exciting, but how do you get started? In this video, we're going to be walking you through the entire process so that way you're confident that you're making smart moves from the start all the way to the finish line. Let's dive in. Buying a home isn't just going through listings and booking showings. There's paperwork, negotiations, inspections, and plenty of moments that can get pretty confusing. But don't worry, we got you covered. Let's break it down step by step. Before you even step into a home, get pre-approved. This is going to tell you exactly what you can afford, and it's going to show sellers that you're a serious buyer. And in a market like today's, having that pre-approval letter is huge, as most sellers won't even look at offers without one. It's often a requirement to even get it. Knowing your exact budget is also going to mean less surprises and more confidence when you're shopping. An agent should do more than just open doors. You deserve someone who knows the market inside and out, negotiates effectively on your behalf, and can be both trustworthy and knowledgeable. Don't be afraid to interview them either. Ask what they know about the area, how they're going to protect your interests, and how they approach their offer strategy. Now we get to the fun part, house hunting. Make a list, must-haves, nice-to-haves, and deal breakers. This is going to help you narrow down on perfect matches. And remember, location matters too. Think schools, work, transit, groceries, and even family and friends. Your life happens outside your home too. It's a great idea to always factor in other costs as well, like property taxes, condo fees, and HOAs. Start booking showings, as seeing these homes in person is where things are going to start to click as to what that perfect home feels like for you. You've found the one, and now it's go time. But don't just throw out a random number. You need to look at comparables, seller motivation, and how hot the market is. Include the key details, your possession date, deposit amount, and any terms and conditions that you need. But be strategic. The cleaner your offer, the stronger your position. If you're the only offer on the table, this is where the negotiation begins. A seller may choose to counter you in price or propose changes to the terms. If you are in a multiple offer situation, this is where you wait to see if yours is the offer they select. Your offer's been accepted, and now it's time to get to work. This is where we follow through with everything on our offer: inspections, condo doc reviews, financing, and anything else that we've attached. First thing first comes your deposit, then everything else. This is where we find any hidden surprises, and depending on the circumstance, we may renegotiate with some repairs or with pricing. Timing is key here, as conditions have strict deadlines. While extensions can be offered, they're not always guaranteed, especially in a market that's competitive or if a backup offer is waiting in the wings. Once everything's reviewed, you'll decide. If you don't waive, no problem, we'll pivot. But if everything checks out and you lift all your conditions, you're now sold. All your conditions are removed, and now it's time for the lawyer, our final walkthrough, and key release. A lawyer is going to handle the legal side, paperwork, funds, and ensuring that everything is closing smoothly. Start prepping early as well. Address changes, utilities, and movings are great to plan ahead, but be careful. Plan a day or two after that possession in case things get delayed. If you've included a walkthrough term, which we always recommend, this is where we're going to do one final checkup to confirm everything's in the same condition and that any agreed upon repairs have been completed. On possession date, both lawyers are going to work hard at finalizing the deal. And once everything's been transferred, we get key release. You get the keys, and just like that, you're home. Congrats. To quickly recap, here are the final steps. Get pre-approved. Choose the right agent. Start house hunting. Make a smart offer. Complete all your conditions, and prep for that possession. That's the game plan. Simple and clear. If you found this helpful, drop a like and hit that subscribe button so more people can find it. And if you want us to talk more about Edmonton's market or want us to pick apart some further topics, drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.